watching one really key economic snapshot from the Bureau of Labor Statistics this morning, the real earnings report. It comes after a strong September jobs report, volatile week for the markets tormented by fears of an AI bubble. While we wait for fresh data, Nick breaks down the state of the economy. You really digged into those numbers, Nick.
We had to, Hannah, because one thing suggests one piece of information, but more and more as we dig, we find that there are underlying issues. The latest numbers paint a mixed picture. Strong hiring in some sectors, but worrying signs underneath. And for many Americans, it's still a financial juggling act. The delayed September jobs report finally came out. And on the surface, it looked solid. The economy added 119,000 jobs, more than double what economists expected, with growth in healthcare, food, and support services, such as childcare and family aid programs. But looking backwards, August numbers tell a different story. They were revised sharply, downward, showing the economy actually lost jobs. The unemployment rate also ticked up to 4.4%. Economists say the job market feels strong, but fragile.
The economy is not heading in the right direction, and now that's finally starting to catch up to things in the stock market.
On Wall Street, investors rode a full roller coaster. Stocks soared early Thursday after NVIDIA posted record earnings and strong guidance. But by closing, the rally fizzled. Even NVIDIA, after surging earlier, ended down about 3%. The volatility is renewing questions about whether AI stocks are overheating. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang pushed back on these facts, saying in part, "There's been a lot of talk about an AI bubble. From our vantage point, we see something very different. AI is going everywhere, doing everything, all at once." And Americans are feeling the economic strain at home. Mortgage rates climbed again this week, now averaging 6.31% for a 30-year fixed mortgage. Home affordability sits near an all-time low, even as home sales rose in October. And beyond housing, the cost of everyday essentials, from groceries to gas, remains high, stretching family budgets even as inflation cools on paper.
Already this year, we've seen about 1 million people laid off, and the cost of living keeps on increasing, inflation at around 3%, and home affordability at an all-time low. Those are not good signals for the American economy.
Not good signals for the American economy. The new real earnings report is due out this morning, coupled with any new state unemployment data. They'll help answer the big question. Are workers actually keeping up, or is the job market starting to really slip under? And we will, of course, be watching to see what the feds decide to do later as well.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.